In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a live chat on Hubspot. This simple process will help you engage with your website visitors directly, providing an opportunity to answer their questions in real time and enhance their user experience. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, look to the top right-hand corner and click on the Log In button. If you're already an existing user, you'll find this process straightforward. If not, you might need to sign up first. After clicking Log In, you'll see an option to Sign in with Google. Selecting this will prompt you to choose your Google account from a list. Make sure you select the account that's associated with your HubSpot portal to avoid any hiccups later on. Once you're signed in, focus your attention on the left panel of the HubSpot dashboard and find the Service tab. Click on this to get started with your live chat setup. Under the Service tab, you'll want to click on Chat Flows. This section is the heartbeat of your live chat system where you'll create and manage the chat. Next, click on Create Chat Flow to start the process. A prompt will ask you to select where you'd like this chat flow to be featured, so here you'll need to choose Website. The next step involves setting up your chat by selecting Set Up Chat. Clicking on Website once again confirms the chat will be featured on your site, then proceed by clicking on Next. Now it's time to style your chat widget. This is where you can get creative. You have the freedom to tailor the chat window to reflect your brand's image, providing a cohesive experience for your visitors. Choose colors, fonts, and even decide on the chatbot's voice, an important step in crafting an engaging interaction. Navigate onward by clicking Next as you configure your chatbot's availability. You'll need to decide when your team will be available to respond to messages. Consider your team's working hours and make sure they align with when you expect most visitors to check your site. Click Next again to set up the person responsible for responding to chat inquiries. This step ensures that messages aren't left unattended, providing a seamless experience for visitors. Type in the name of the person designated to respond, and, if desired, add a branded logo that will appear in the chat window. As you progress, you'll have the chance to preview your chatbot and see how it will look to your website visitors. Review and make any final changes, ensuring everything functions correctly. Finally, advance by clicking Next. The last step is critical, clicking on Copy and Verify Installation. This action confirms your chat is correctly set on your site. And there you have it, a fully set up live chat feature on your HubSpot account, ready to engage with your visitors.